half-baked ideas, not as delicious as they sound. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where learning English is both fun and engaging. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind the phrase, half-baked. You might think it has something to do with cooking, but in English, it's not just food that can be half-baked. Stay with us to find out what it really means when something is called half-baked in everyday conversation. Let's start with the basics. The word baked generally refers to the process of cooking something using prolonged heat in an oven. When something is half-baked, literally, it means that it hasn't been cooked all the way through. It's not completely ready to eat. It's in this undercooked, unfinished state that we find our first clue to understanding the figurative meaning of the phrase. Now, let's take this concept out of the kitchen. In English, when we say an idea or plan is half-baked, we mean that it has not been thought through completely. It suggests that the idea or plan is incomplete, underdeveloped, or lacks a solid foundation. It's like taking a cake out of the oven too early. It's not ready to be served. For example, if someone proposes a business plan without researching the market, one might say, "That's a half-baked idea." This implies that the plan might be premature or ill-conceived. It's important for language learners to see how phrases are used in context. Here are some examples of how half-baked can be incorporated into sentences. They tried to start a new project with a half-baked strategy, and it didn't work out. I don't want to hear your half-baked excuses. It's clear that this proposal is half-baked. It needs more research and planning. By using the phrase in various sentences, you can get a feel for its usage and connotations. In some cultures, pointing out that someone's ideas are half-baked can be considered quite rude. It's a direct way of saying that you think the person hasn't put enough thought into their idea. However, in other contexts, it can be used in a light-hearted or playful manner among friends. The tone and situation are crucial in determining how the phrase will be received. There you have it. Half-baked is a handy phrase to describe something insufficiently planned or thought out. Remember, it's always better to fully bake your ideas before presenting them. We hope this explanation has been clear and that you can use half-baked correctly in your own conversations. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to get creative with the language. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.